Hi guys, I am a random Indian YouTuber and today I will show you how to download any TV show or web series automatically. I am using this workflow from past 3 years and it works like a charm. It's surprising that many people don't know about this, even including some of my friends. So hopefully after watching the video you will thank me in the comments, and everything needs to set up only once. So let's get started. First of all, you need a torrent client that supports RSS feeds. So I recommend using Flood, and as you can see I have already downloaded it. So let's open it. Here's how the interface looks. Let's give the permissions, pretty standard stuff. I don't need to download on Wi-Fi. First of all, I like to change some settings, so let's do that, but you can anyways explore further. I like to change the number of connections to 1000 because it increases download speed, as I think. And let's switch to a dark theme. Nothing in network. You may need to change some settings in power management depending how your device manages background apps. So like you can click on these two check boxes, and you can also schedule the start and stop time of downloading, but we don't need to worry about it now. And the feed refresh interval is basically in how many minutes new shows will be refreshed. So I can set it to something like 1400, which is about 1 day. And I need to clean up old items in 2 days. That's it for Flood right now. We will come back to it later. Now go to Chrome or any other browser, and this is the main essence of the trick. And we need to go to a site called ShowRSS.info, and this is how it looks. So let's sign up for an account. Regarding it, it's basically it's the site from where we will gather download links. It aggregates shows from various different trusted sources. Let's sign up quickly, and if you notice, we don't even need an email address to sign up. Click on register. No. So this is the home page, and first of all, let's go to browse shows. Here are the latest episodes published, but you can see a list of all the available shows in the catalog here, and as you can see, it is pretty big. So if you need to search for a particular show, you can click on request desktop site, because it features a search bar like here. So let's look for a show like for example Westworld. Click on get timeline. So here are all the episodes in reverse chronological order, and you may notice the color coding here, that this is probably 480p and others are named. So let us add this show to our timeline, our list basically, and let me add any other show like Rick and Morty. Get timeline and add this show. One thing you may want to do is change your settings under account, and select the quality you prefer. By default it's 480p, but and 480p is fine for me, but you can also select like 720 or 1080. So we have added two shows right now. So if you go to my shows now, and let me change this back to mobile version. This was empty previously, right? And now our timeline is visible. You can use my filters to hide the other duplicate versions like 720p ones. And here you can also click on this gear icon to change per show setting irrespective of your global setting. Like if you want a particular show in high quality, you can change it from here, and don't worry about this repack or proper. Default is fine, repack is fine. So let's go back. Now from here you can directly click on this, and it will show you prompt to download the show directly. But because it points to a magnet link, but that's too much manual work, and that's not what this video is about. So here comes the final part. You need to go to this my feed option, and you can change this settings later. Basically you need to copy this link address, and you can click on it to see what's going behind the scenes, but that's a topic for another day. Now go back to torrent client, and click on feeds, click on add new feed, and as you can see, the link we just copied is already pasted here. If it's not, you can paste manually. Give it any relevant name like ShowRSS, and we need to automatically download all torrents published in this feed. You can also match regular expressions, but which is basically if you want to filter further down which kind of episodes you want to download, but it is not applicable here. So that's it. Let me change the download folder to SD card, because I like to keep it separate from the clutter. Okay, it's not changed. 1 minute. Continue, select. It's not changing for some reason, so let's ignore it. Okay, click add, and now it's showing, it's updating, and as you can see, all the 4 shows that was listed in the timeline are shown here. And now if we click go back, these shows are already added to our feed, and that's it. That's the whole video. And in the future, if new episodes are added, they will automatically be queued here, and they will automatically be downloaded. And some points to note: you can use this on a PC too, if you have a browser, if you have a client that supports magnet links. And you can share your feed link to your friend also, like if you both watch